Great Nights, it's Miss Jarreau and Lily here. She's been enjoying her belly rub since I've been home. And today we are going to be learning more about telling time. So when you're telling time, there are two different types of clocks that you might see. You might see something called an analog clock, which is what you would see in our classroom on the wall. It's just a big circle with the numbers on it. Or more commonly, you might see a digital clock. This would be like what you see on your iPad. And so you can tell time using both of them. Now, it's pretty easy on the digital clock, so we're going to focus more on the analog clock today. So on the analog clock, as I was saying, there's a circle and it has numbers 1 through 12, and then there's two hands on this clock. There's the long hand, which is the minute hand, and then there's the short hand, which is the hour hand. So depending on where those hands are pointing to, will tell you what time it is. So the minute hand points to the minute, and the hour hand is going to point to the hour. So for example, if we were looking at this analog clock, the minute hand is pointing to the 12. When it points to the 12, that means o'clock, okay? And then the hour hand is pointing to the 8, so it's telling us what hour it is. So that means that this analog clock is showing us 8 o'clock. So now I can write my time in with my analog clock, saying that it is 8 o'clock. And as you can see, my digital clock, super easy to read. When it's the hour and then the minute over here and it's 00, that just also means o'clock. So now it's your turn to show what you know.